Hey, Year 10, just a quick video on setting up your newspaper article and how to do some referencing in there. Quickest way to make sure you are using a good template and not wasting too much time setting up your task is to use Word templates. So I just opened up Microsoft Word program, and I'm going to click down here on More Templates, and I'm going to search online for newspaper. And there's a lot of cool ones on Word already. You'll be able to download some more if you want, but I'm just going to pick a traditional newspaper today and click create. And you can see that straight away I'm in something that looks a lot like the example from last year. And you can just type into this straight away so you don't spend a lot of time going through it. All this text you're going to delete. You don't copy the text in there. It's not letting me delete at the moment, but you're going to be talking about, let's say I'm talking about the freedom rides. Were starting to write my newspaper already. The next thing you're going to have as you're writing through this newspaper is having to reference things. Okay, so I've found a newspaper article online about the freedom rides that I want to reference in my that I'm going to use as information for my article. So I need to make sure that I'm recording it and referencing it. All right. I'm going to split the screen, but you don't need to do this. Actually, I better go full screen. The way to do that, as you get the information from this article is telling me that, in 1965, the Freedom Rides exposed shocking racism in rural New South Wales towns. That's good info that I want to write about. I'm going to click on this reference tab up here. I'm then going to click on this next one down here that says insert citation. I'm going to add a new source. This is going to save you so much time overall. The best way to do it is as you're accessing these websites or newspapers or books to do it through here. And up the top is the type of source. There's all this different stuff in there. You can get an interview, a film, anything like that. But I think a lot of you guys will be using a lot of websites. And through here, you just need to fill in the blanks. So hopefully, Monica Tan is my author. Monica Tan is in there. The name of the web page is 50 Years On Freedom Rides in Australia. Putting that on. Name of the website is Guardian. And I also had the dates down here as well, I think. 18th of Feb 2015. And also, I want the URL, which is going to be the link up the top there. Pretty quickly, but you can go slower on there, and I'm going to click OK. And it's going to put in an in-text citation. I don't want you to do in-text citations in a newspaper article. We're going to save that for later on, essays. But just cancel that out. And I'm going to continue writing. I'm going to write more about the freedom rides, and I'm going to find new sources, and I'm going to continue doing that. And here's the cheat code, because right when I finish, your newspaper is not going to be this long. This is just an example. When I finish, I go all the way down the bottom to my new page. I go back, if I'm at home, I'm in my bottom new page, and I go references, and I go bibliography, and I just click, you can go either bibliography or references. I'm going to click references, it'll be the same. Look at this, it spits out automatically APA, my reference, exactly how it should look, in alphabetical order, because you'll have, multiple, the more the better. In alphabetical order using the Word document. It's such a good program. Have a play around with it. Ask me any questions about it. But once you get a gauge on that, it's going to save you a lot of time through the rest of school. Good luck.